Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and this is my sister sassyshan. Anyways, so on today's video we are going to be doing a what do you call this, drawing challenge. We're going to be doing a drawing challenge. So me and my sister sassyshan, we will be competing. So we have three different rounds. The first round, so my mom is also here. Hi. And she will be giving us the pictures or whatever we're supposed to draw. So for the first round, she's going to tell us a picture. We have to draw that picture from memory. We can't look at anything. Then for the second round, she'll give us a picture. Yeah, if you want. For the second picture, we are going to be given a picture and we are going to be given like 5 minutes to look at it, and then we are going to draw it without looking at it. Then for the third round, we'll be given a picture and we can look at it and draw from it. Right? This idea I got from Stove's Kitchen. So yes, I'm giving a shout out to that person. I did not come up with this video on my own. Thank you very much for the video idea. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to begin this challenge. You ready?
I'm losing.
Alright, Mom. What is our first picture?
It's
That's so odd.
It's a bear. Why
Oh, Pooh Bear?
Pooh.
So the first picture is Pooh Bear. Don't look at my book. Can we begin?
Pooh look.
We should begin.
You can begin.
Oh God.
Can't remember what Pooh look.
We don't know. We don't see one bear.
Winnie the Pooh. I don't even remember how we look. This is going to be disastrous. Can I just draw the face of Winnie the Pooh?
Whatever you choose, sweetie pie.
Who's already so?
Should I draw him lip liner?
Okay, beer of eyebrow.
You know what I know? May I put one?
Call me
weird without it.
to my heart.
No, stop, baby. You look evil.
Lord Jesus. Okay, one beer more. Look.
Did I tell you?
Come in. Listen to me, this I knew Winnie Pooh come. I remember how beer look, so guess what?
Yes, you don't look so bad though. Shake!
You have to give trouble in the video. You can't just...
She's trouble. Yeah. No, I'm trying to
See that if you know, say, make you draw a nose.
Pick your favorite. Alright guys, so first round is done. We have now our second round, and for our second round, Mommy has chosen SpongeBob. We're going to have like 5 minutes to look on the SpongeBob for choice, and then we start drawing. So Mom, tell me when to stop look. Alright, so this one is mine. And this is my sister's own. I'm taking for follow one here. I spoil my eye. Could Anyways, vote for which one you think is the best. Anyways, alright guys, so second round done. Third round, we're going to be drawing.
Jerry.
Jerry. So this time we can look for it, and we're going to look for it, and we're going to draw it. So yes, let's go. And begin.
What's me over here out doing? SpongeBob.
Leave her no. Much just SpongeBob.
How about this man?
Guys, wait now. So we're now finished with the third round. That's hers. This is mine.
Me win.
It looks stumper.
Leave me picking you alone. There's some fat.
Which do you prefer, guys? Are you voting for this one or this one? Comment down below. Now we're gonna have a montage of all of them.